Given the inherent risk and danger in all 48 lower states to floods, unlicensed drivers, lawlessness, the inability of governors and county executives and mayors to secure their cities from fire and violence, it seems to me that the President of the United States and Secretary Bessent should advise the reinsurance industry that automobile insurance is going to be canceled for every policyholder in the United States of America in the lower 48. Because the insurance industry can no longer afford to offer car insurance to anyone. Because the reinsurance market, which is not regulated, is unwilling to underwrite any further losses. That's good business sense. So I expect to hear some sort of announcement soon about the reinsurance market related to automobiles. Including two-axle cars up to a certain weight. I'm not talking about commercial trucks. I'm not talking about delivery trucks. And of course, I don't know how you get insurance on any car without having a verifiable inspection for emissions, seat belts, tail lights, working systems, and everything else. So I'm specifically referring to new car purchases. One exception. If the President of the United States, by executive order, I mean new cars too. Yeah. You can't go into a dealership and buy a new vehicle even, two axles, and get auto insurance. No. Not new from a car dealership either. No. With one exception. Automakers that meet whatever conditions that the President of the United States of America set forth would be allowed, according to the President of the United States in his sole discretion, with the sale of a brand new car, to include in the financing of that car by that car manufacturer, only that car manufacturer, insurance, so it can be legally driven on the road. That's it. Looking forward to a future announcement about the automobile insurance and reinsurance market. Manufacturers of new vehicles, CAFE standards, and the inability to get insurance on an automobile except for one kind of car. One manufactured by an automaker that meets the standards of the president. The financing of that must be done and through the manufacturer of the automobile. no banks. And also, it must offer insurance so that the car meets the standards required by the states and counties and cities to be insured. We're starting with automobiles because they're inherently dangerous anyway for everyone. And I don't know why anybody would be having these cars sitting around, new ones especially, driving into floods and fires only to defraud the full faith and credit of the United States of America and line their greedy, impoverished pockets with the money that belongs to the taxpayers of the United States of America, including corporations. Rodney Dean Ward from the Ditmas section of the Flatbush neighborhood, Brooklyn, in the city of New York.